Good day, everyone. This is Ivy Tumino, your discussants for today. So now, here are some tips on how to write an effective research paper. First, stay focused on the research question. So ensure that every section and paragraph contributes to answering the research question. Second, use proper grammar. So, this is crucial for conveying your ideas clearly and effectively. The third, provide evidence for your arguments. Support your claims with data, examples, and references to establish sources. So, fourth, choosing a topic. Start with a broad area of interest, then narrow it down to a specific manageable research question. Consider your resources, time constraints, and available data. A focused topic leads to a stronger paper. So, this research paper entitled The Impact of Online Learning Tools on Learning English Grammar Among English Language Learners explores the effectiveness of online learning tools on English grammar learning. The paper uses clear and concise language, ensuring easy understanding for readers. So let's come now to statement of the problem. So this study aims to determine the impact of online learning tools on English language learners, specifically addressing the following questions. First, the profile of the respondents in terms of language spoken, online learning tools use, and frequency on the usage of online learning tools. And second, the impact of online learning tools on learning English grammar, including the sentence structure and grammatical structure. And the third, whether there is a significant relationship between the respondents' profile and the impact of online learning tools. And the last is proposed output based on the findings. So let's come now to assumptions of this study. So the respondents have diverse language backgrounds, utilize various online learning tools, and vary on their frequency of use. The impact of online learning tools on English grammar differs among respondents. The respondents' demographic characteristics influence their use of online learning tools. The study aims to develop strategies and recommendations for enhancing ELL's grammar skills through online tools, providing valuable insights for professional development. Let's come now to significance of the study. So, the findings of the study will benefit students. Students equip them with the necessary skills to leverage technology in English grammar, preparing them for digital era. And second is instructors to increase awareness about the impact of online learning tools on English grammar and inspire effective teaching strategies. Third, English language learners. This is to provide insights into the efficacy and potential drawbacks of online learning tools. So, the researchers will help them also to amass new knowledge about the effects of online learning tools on ELL's grammar skills and understand the advantages of these platforms. So let's come now to definition of terms. Provide clear and concise definition for key terms. Make sure your reader fully understands the concepts you are discussing. So, this study carefully defines all relevant terms, ensuring consistent understanding throughout the paper. So, the paper provides comprehensive definition for key terms. First is English language learners. So, a student whose primary language is not English and is still developing in their proficiency in academic English. So, in this study, ELLs are defined as students who have been identified as needing support in acquiring English language skills and who are currently enrolled in an English language learner program. ELLs are the target population and their acquisition of English grammar is the primary focus. So second, online learning tools, internet accessible digital resources used by ELLs and teachers to enhance English grammar learning. In this study, online learning tools are defined as internet accessible digital resources, specifically used by English language learners and teachers to enhance English grammar learning. So next, we have English grammar, the set of rules governing the structure and usage of the English language. In the study, it defines English grammar as the set of rules governing the structure and the usage of English language, specifically focusing on those rules crucial for effective written communication in academic and professional context. So next, we come now to review of related literature. A thorough literature review helps to contextualize the research, highlight existing knowledge, and identify gaps. So, the two major RRLs is Google Meet and YouTube. But first, let's discuss the Google Meet. This platform emerged as vital during the pandemic, facilitating virtual face-to-face interactions and is in structured learning. While its effectiveness is evident, connectivity issues and delayed feedback pose challenges. According to NEHE 2021, it emphasizes the platform's impact on improving student participation and skill development, particularly in speaking classes, where its synchronous nature mirrored traditional classroom interactions. So next we have YouTube. The research of Safitri 2019 found that online learning video can help understand the learning material presented and can be played anytime and anywhere repeatedly according to learning and learners' needs. YouTube is a widely used platform for sharing videos, offers a rich resource for English grammar. Research indicates that using YouTube for learning makes students more engaged and motivated. So let's come now to methodologies. So this study's methodologies are aligned with research questions, ensuring that the data collected directly address the study's objectives. The concept of this paper would be employ appropriate research methodologies. So first, we have research design. The study employed an explanatory sequential mixed methods design, emphasizing a quantitative pace followed by a qualitative pace. So, surveys addressed this research question, while interviews provided deeper insights into student perception and experiences. So, second, we have respondents. 160 third-year Bachelor of Secondary Education English majors of Baal Community College were selected using stratified random sampling. 10 informants were chosen from the respondents to provide detailed information about online learning tools. So, the third is sampling technique. So, stratified random sampling ensured fair representation of ELL's students based on their frequency of using online learning tools. So, fourth, we have research instrument employing reliable data collection methods such as surveys, interviews, ensures that the accuracy and validity of the findings. A validated survey questionnaire with three parts was used. The part 1 is assess respondents' personal information including language spoken, online learning tools using, and frequency of use. And the part 2 is assess the impact of online learning tools on grammar skills, including the sentence structure and grammatical structure. So, the part 3 is consisted of written interview questions to determine student perceptions of the effectiveness of online learning tools. So, we have statistical treatment through utilizing appropriate statistical treatment, employing a variety of statistical methods, ensure the accuracy and reliability of the findings. So the researcher used the frequency, percentage, mean, median, mode, ranking, person, correlation, and thematic analysis were employed to analyze the collected data. So, this study utilizes various statistical methods to analyze both quantitative and qualitative data, drawing meaningful conclusions. And that's all. Thank you.